Hey, is this thing recording? Okay.
Today on The Pawd,
we are talking new faces.
Plastic surgery.
We are here with our very dear friend, Deborah.
It's not Deborah. It's Deborah.
Okay.
Well, you look amazing. Can you show us the before?
Oh, wow. Please tell us, what did you have done?
Well, I had a brow lift, an upper bleph, a lower bleph.
What's a bleph?
It's the floppy skin on your upper eyelid.
That sounds nauseating.
I also had fat transfer to the temples, the under eye, the marionette lines.
Oh, I like puppets.
Nasal labial folds.
Is that something to your schnoz or your coochie?
Oh, she's taking a pause.
A pause.
Oi.
Okay,
Do you think that was her real voice?